Hey, good morning. And before we get to the flight footage on this latest rip sesh, I just kind of wanted to give a little narrative of my state of mind for uh, this latest rip session. And I'm just going to air it out. I think it's better. I think it's good for me to actually go to do stuff like this. So I'm doing it. I was in a pretty bad relationship with a gal for a bunch of years, very controlling. uh, every time I went to go fly, always had in the back of my mind that I had to be back at a certain time. I always felt rushed, always felt that like just something was looming over me, and it was her because she would call, bug me, and I'm literally like I only would go fly for a few hours, and that would be a problem with her. So I think with this session right here was one of the few sessions after our breakup in which I finally started to kind of relax and just kind of take it all in. I wasn't rushing through my packs. I was enjoying the weather. I was enjoying the scenery, just chilling. It was great. I mean, so hopefully many more to come in the future. I really think my skills are going to be improving. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to the footage. Oh yeah, I'm also going to be for sure always laying down some dope tracks for you guys in these videos. Let me know what you think. Try and keep it in the underground as far as the tracks go. So yeah, all right. Without further ado, let's get to the footage.
Hey. Call it. I don't know why we're stalling. We fuss like we alcoholics. Somewhere my heart departed. We both tell different stories. This life's so different for me. And keep a little distance for me. Better yet, just ignore me. Better yet, just ignore me. I don't know what to call it. I don't know why we're stalling. Better yet, just ignore me. Hey. Like I don't exist.